So if you want to send disappearing messages on Instagram, and this includes text messages, photos, and videos, just swipe to the left to open messages, and then find the conversation that you want to enable disappearing messages for. So for instance, if it's this one, I'll tap on that, and then now I can tap on the name of that person. That should open our conversation page. So you want to come here and tap on disappearing messages. So tap on that, and then you can choose to enable disappearing messages to disappear immediately after the message has been seen, or after 24 hours, or after 7 days, depending on what you want really. Now, if you want to have them disappear immediately they've been seen, select that, and then you can now go back to the conversation page. And now messages in this conversation, once you send a message and the other person sees it, then it's gonna disappear. Okay, so that is basically how to enable disappearing messages. Now, if you go to your inbox on Instagram, you can see all the conversations that have disappearing messages enabled, because I'm gonna have this little circle. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.